This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Sandra Rubenstein. Owned by a professional finished carpenter, his pride of ownership is evident everywhere you turn in this freshly painted great floor plan 2-bedroom, 2-bath home with RV and or boat concrete pad parking with a rear 12 FTX 13 Ford outdoor deck with pop-out grill designed to accommodate an Intex pool. The 2-year-old 40-year warranted GAF premium architectural roof with top-of-the-line well system with reverse osmosis system for drinking water and Icemaker combined with the energy-efficient smart thermostat will be worry-free for many years to come. In addition, all drywall and ceilings have been repaired or replaced to new condition. The French doors have been rebuilt or replaced with frames, glass and hardware. New hard surface engineered flooring have been installed in both bedrooms and the kitchen has been refreshed with new crown molding, indirect lighting and newer desirable featured appliances. This easy-to-care for monthly budget-friendly home nestled in a great neighborhood in the desirable central Venice location boasts of features commonly found in a much larger property and is the perfect spot to start on the next chapter in your life. For more information, review the details below or contact Sandra Rubenstein at 941-268-8918.